Hello guys, quick video to share my thoughts about the market. I will cover Bitcoin, ETH and some altcoins. So Bitcoin, we're still in a range. I outlined this range with the March range, March high here and March low here. Got this deviation and this uptrend to supply. Then we got this sell-off and back to range low. This is a sign of weakness in my opinion, because when you get a deviation like that, you want to see trends for a long time. So would have preferred to see us like reject and break above March high. The fact that we came back at range low is a sign of weakness, but we can't really be bearish because we're still at range low. So I'm playing it really, I'm cautious here. On the lower time frame, this is another chart I have. I closed this trade yesterday, ended up being a great trade, 4.2 hour. Opened it at 59.3 last week, closed 70% yesterday at the 0.382 fib, and closed the remaining 30% yesterday after closing that 4-hour candle below this level. And this level is, if you go on the daily, you can see that price is capped into that daily candle. This is acting as a range high, range low. And when I saw this close again below range high, I just closed the remaining 30%, expecting some downside that we're starting to get right now. So I will delay that because this trade is done. Now, I have a potential long setup here on the lower time frame. The idea would be a third tap of this diagonal trend line into that golden pocket. It may look something like that. Stop might go here, going for this highs to that OB. Would be a 3-hour trade. So I have my alert set and I might take it later today. Regarding ETH, so as I showed on Twitter, I have limit orders into that OB around 3,000. Stop below this order block, aiming for a new all-time high. So that would be a swing long on ETH. Other than that, on the lower time frame, if you wanna play some scalps, you have a nice diagonal trend line here. This supply that acted as resistance. So if we start breaking above, we may enter here on the retest with the stop below this low, aiming for that daily order block. This would be a lower time frame trade. Yeah, 2.3 hour, not that bad. But I'm not sure that I will be trading this. I'm focusing on Bitcoin right now. And for ETH, I prefer to focus on that swing long. Then Pepe. Pepe is my only ongoing trade right now. I shared it on Twitter last week. I got all my 3 fills with my average entry at the 0.7 fib. Not doing much for the last few days, but I just keep the position open, aiming for that order block and golden pocket here. The reason of the trade was that we broke structure on the 12-hour, the 4-hour, and I wanted a longer retracement into that POI, which is the fib area from the 0.618 to the 0.786. Other than that, you have a nice setup on Pendle on the 12-hour. Basically, I outlined this range high, range low, mid-range. And we have a nice 12-hour order block below range low. This is a setup I really like. If price comes below range low, tap the order block and start reclaiming the range. There's 2 lows. I will enter along. Something like that. Stop below DOB. Aiming for mid-range, 4 hour, and maybe range high. That would be a nice trade to take. So I have my alert set and just remaining patient right now. And finally, Aave. So this I shared the setup last week on Twitter. Price has been slowly going up. So I still have my limit long here from the 0.618 to the 0.786. But if price tap DOB and then go down, I will cancel the limit long. The idea is only valid if we go from here. If we touch DOB before, that's not valid anymore. So that's it, guys. I'm focusing on Bitcoin. The rest of the altcoin charts look pretty bad, in my opinion. I'm not sure we've bottomed yet, or we might see a time capitulation bottom. So maybe price won't go that down, but will go like sideways at range low for a lot of time. We are in the summer period, so things are pretty slow. But you should focus on Bitcoin and act based on that. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great week. Bye bye.